Okay, crawl through it.
Hi! What did Daddy make you?
Daddy did make you Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? What? Did he make you a tunnel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go this way.
Okay, go back through.
Yeah, go back through then. Turn around.
You can turn around.
Yeah, you can go. Yeah, there you go.
Nice gloves, Sammy.
Whoa!
Whoa, they're kind of big, huh?
I gotta crawl through it.
Okay.
Okay.
Better hurry, because it's nap time. We gotta go inside. We need to get you snow pants. Cool. Did you see the water?
Yeah.
Cool, Sammy.
I will get the bar water.
Well, let's make a brick or two with our water. Okay. Pick it up. Okay. Enough.
What is this, Sammy? Is it igloo? Can you say igloo? Igloo. She can't see. You're not going to rip my gloves, are you?
They are hard to use.
They wouldn't stay on her?
No. Not at all.
There's a strap on them that you can tighten.
Even then, I couldn't get them on far enough.